Hello friends, welcome to Bulgur recipes. Today, we bring you a very fresh dish from Lebanon. We're going to prepare tabouleh. Tabouleh is born in the Levant mountains, which are in Eastern Europe, and they go across Lebanon, Israel, Jordan, Syria, and a little bit of Turkey. This Lebanese dish is born by using the abundance of wild herbs and grains. This showcases all the freshness and the delicious ingredients that they have. It's a very basic salad, and the name tabouleh comes from the Arabic word taabil, that means to combine ingredients or season something. It is delicious, very simple to do, and you're gonna love it. So let's get cooking. The ingredients we're gonna need are 2 bunches of parsley, half a cup of bulgur wheat, half a cup of lemon juice, half a white onion, 3 Roma tomatoes and 1 more for decorating, 10 mint leaves, 3 spring onions, half a cup of olive oil, half a teaspoon of sumac, 1.5 tablespoons of pomegranate molasses, and salt and pepper to taste. We're going to start by getting our lemon juice. For our tabouleh, we're going to need half a cup of lemon juice. In my case, I got it from 2.5 lemons. We're going to add the lemon juice to our bulgur wheat. A lot of people use hot water to rehydrate their bulgur wheat. I think using the lemon juice gives it a better taste. We're going to let it sit for 10 minutes till all the bulgur wheat absorbs the lemon juice. Now it's time to prepare our tabouleh. All our ingredients need to be cleaned thoroughly. I'm using my salad spinner to dry my parsley, and I'm going to do the same thing for the mint and the rest. For our parsley, I'm going to cut the end of the stems, and now that they're all the same, we're going to start chopping finely. We don't need to bruise our parsley. We just need to chop everything finely. Our tabouleh is going to be almost a parsley salad, and this is what we want. Now we're going to start adding our parsley to our mixing bowl. Now we're going to chop our spring onions. We're going to remove the roots, and we're going to chop it finely. A lot of people only use the greens. I think it's a waste, so I'm going to use everything. And we're going to chop it finely as well. And we're going to add it with the parsley in the bowl. Now it's time to chop our mint leaves. As a trick, you can put them all together, make a little roll, and once we chop them finely, it's going to be a chiffonade. And once we have our chiffonade, we can chop it the other way so we get a fine chop. And then we're going to add it with the parsley and the onions. Now we're going to chop our half onion. I'm using a white one, but a purple onion is very good too. And we're going to chop it finely as well. then it goes to the bowl. Now it's time to chop our Roma tomatoes. Depending on where you are, some people remove the inside so it doesn't get more water. I just cut them complete, and we're going to chop them finely. I'm only going to use 3 for the tabouleh, and the other one I'm going to use for garnish. Now that we have all our ingredients in the bowl, we're going to add a teaspoon of salt. The salt is going to help remove some of the water from the tomatoes, and half a teaspoon of pepper. I'm also going to add a little bit of sumac, half a teaspoon. This is optional. And also optional are pomegranate molasses. These help to give it a little bit more tangy taste and sweetness. Now you can see our wheat bulgur absorbed all the lemon, and we're going to add it. Since it's wheat bulgur, and if you are intolerant to gluten, you can also use quinoa. We're going to mix everything, and then we're going to add our olive oil. We're going to use about 1/4 cup. This is looking great. Now it's time to taste. In my case, I like the lemon. I'm just going to add a little bit more salt, but you can adjust to your preference. Quick and easy, our tabouleh salad is ready. You can eat it on its own, or in this case, I have some pita bread just to try it out. So let's see how it came out. So lemony and refreshing. Excellent for these days. It's a classic from the Lebanon culture, and you need to try this recipe. Also, if you don't want to miss any videos, click on subscribe, and to get notifications, click on the bell. Leave us your comments and let us know which videos you want to see in our channel. And if you enjoyed it, give us a like. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and we'll see you next time.